Good morning. Welcome to Mimi's Home and Garden. I'm Mimi, and today begins a new series. It's going to be soup on Saturdays. I love soup in the wintertime, and I've got a ton of recipes over on my Pinterest board. I'll put a link below if you'd like to see all the recipes I have. But every Saturday I will share with you a video of a soup that I'm making. And today is chicken taco soup. It's very easy to make. You just dump all your ingredients in the crock pot, cook it for 5 hours, and you've got dinner. I've got some Christmas crafts I'm working on today. It's Saturday. It's about 56 degrees outside. I get to wear one of my husband's flannel shirts today. It's so nice and cool. So I hope you'll stay tuned and join me on our first Soup on Saturday series. So hold on just a moment and I'll share with you all the ingredients and how to make this soup. Okay, here are the ingredients you need for the chicken taco soup. I have two chicken breasts here. They were frozen and already cut up into chunks. You need a little bit of olive oil. You can use Rotel tomatoes. That would probably be better, but I'm using my canned tomatoes. About 1.5 cups of chicken broth, 1 can of black beans, semi-drained, I poured off some of it, 1 can of sweet corn, completely drained, 1 can of northern beans, semi-drained, and 1 can of kidney beans, semi-drained. You're going to need a taco seasoning mix and Hidden Valley Ranch dressing mix. So it's very easy. I put a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of the crock pot so the chicken doesn't stick. Just swirl that around. And then you're going to lay the chicken right at the bottom of the crock pot. Now this recipe is more for 2 people, probably 2 to 3 people, and you can always double this if you have a big family. And I just lay the chicken breast in the bottom of the crock pot. And after it cooks, you'll take that chicken breast and shred it and then put it back in the soup. So the chicken is in the bottom of the crock pot. Now we're going to add in the chicken broth. And I just took 1 cup or 1.5 cups of chicken broth and a little of water in a little packet of chicken broth. Mix that together. And then the stewed tomatoes or canned tomatoes, the black beans, corn. You just dump it in. See how easy this is? Beans and the kidney beans. This is a great way to go through your pantry and all your preps. You've got a lot of canned food, you need to rotate it out. This soup is perfect for using up some of those canned goods. And now we sprinkle over on top of the chicken the taco seasoning mix and the ranch mix. And you don't stir, you just let it sit until it finishes cooking. I'm going to cook this on high for 4 hours. Then I'll take the chicken breast out, shred them, and put it back in. Okay. Let me show you what that looks like. There are all the ingredients dumped in. I'm going to put a lid on it. And then in 4 hours, I will show you the next step. There's some tortilla chips. I will shred up some cheese and get some sour cream to put in the soup. It's going to be delicious. So stick around with me and I'll show you the finished product. While the soup is in the crock pot cooking, I wanted the house to really smell nice like fall. So I peeled 2 small tangerines and I dumped these in a pot, added some cinnamon sticks and some whole cloves. I'm just going to let that simmer all day, and it will fill the house up with a really good smell. It smells just like fall. Just a little tip for you. Okay, the 4 hours is up. I've taken the lid off the crock pot and some of the chicken has floated to the top. So I'm going to scoop that out and shred that chicken and put it right back in, and then just leave it on warm until we have the soup tonight for dinner. And those pieces of chicken, I'll put them in this bowl. Smells so good. Okay, and then just using 2 forks, I'm just going to shred this chicken up. And then put it back in and give it a good stir. Okay, there is all the shredded chicken. Just going to dump it back in the crock pot and give it a nice stir. Very easy, good soup to make for a nice chilly fall night. Okay, this is just going to sit on warm until we get ready to eat it. I'll show it to you all bowled up, ready to go. Okay, we're ready to eat. I'm going to serve this up in some pretty fall bowls. The soup turned out delicious, very hearty. It's a great meal for a nice cool night. I sprinkled on the freshly grated cheddar cheese. I did not have any sour cream in my refrigerator, but you could add a dollop of sour cream. Some cut up avocado on top would be good. You could also, when you make this soup, add in some white rice at the beginning and have chicken taco soup with rice. That would be good. It's just so many different things you can do with this recipe. So tonight we're getting ready for our trick-or-treaters to come to the door. So we're going to have this nice hot soup with some tortilla chips. It's a great ending to a great day. If you look over to the side, you can see a little sneak peek of some snowflakes. Christmas decorations I've been working on. I'll do an upcoming video showing you how to make beautiful wooden snowflakes out of clothespins. So from Mimi's Home and Garden, happy Halloween. I hope you try this recipe. Let me know what you think. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you know someone that loves to make soup like I do, please share this video. I hope everyone stays safe over the next few days. God bless and take care.